I'm immensely proud of them. They were perfect.
Amazing. Just incredible. Like
Buzz.
yeah.
To me, it was as good as any professional show, and I've got steam coming out of my ears. I'm so proud of them.
I just love performing so much, so I just can't tell you how happy I am.
Nothing went wrong.
Nothing went wrong. We all did really well and tried so hard. So
We all smiled.
yeah, all smiled.
It was amazing. Really proud of the kids. They'd worked so hard and they were so excited and they did an amazing job. Spot on.
We did the parade for Disneyland and it was amazing.
Best thing ever.
The crowd were fantastic and then the music was blaring and it just made it so magical.
Yeah, really magical. And plus we were right at the back, so like we're ending it all with a big bang.
Seeing her perform was a dream come true.
Very emotional. I just think all the hard work and efforts they've actually put into it has really paid off. So it was a fantastic show.
How great is this to be performing in front of, what, 300 million people in Disneyland all at once? Superb, superb.
Strand East is what is called a mixed-use development, and it starts from a regeneration of an old industrial area.
Strand East is a regeneration of a 10-hectare site in East London, just south of the Olympic Park. What's being built is a scheme of commercial and residential accommodation. About a 60-40 split.
It is everything from a day-to-day life. That means it starts from opportunities to start business to any form of residential living.
It is a very, very prominent site, visible from some major roadways.
It's about building homes, but providing all the services and facilities that go to create a neighbourhood.
Our approach is a different one from a traditional developer. We are having a long-term view, so we are not stepping out tomorrow of the project, but we will stay over long term.
The tower turned here into something which is also giving us the opportunity along the long stretch of Stretford High Street to set kind of a landmark sign to a new change.
Putting up the tower was just to say, this is our statement. This is the new East London. This is the change which is ongoing. So that's the only reason for that tower and nothing more.
It's not just happening in Westfield, it's not just happening on the Olympic Park. This part of Stratford is changing too, and the tower is really the symbol of that regeneration.
We started off by running through a preliminary model just to get an idea of the sort of sizes that we might have and the sections.
It needed engineering skills and it needed also fabrication skills. And we were quite surprised how many companies all over Europe responded to our tender.
It was built by a complex process of constructing initially three tiers. The rings were assembled, the laths were connected to the rings. Then the three segments were stacked on top of each other to deliver the full height of 40 metres that is there. The substantial material we use for it is a cross-laminated wood, which is untreated, and this will basically age with the time, and that means it changes color, it adapts to the environmental conditions around the tower, and this was one of the principles we wanted to see, that the people can see in a kind of how material can age in grace.